So pick a side, pop out of the grip. Make sure this is secure. Open this elbow, step through. Start from half guard. Secure the sleeve, sneak in. Be very gentle here. Open the gate, dive through. Okay, then we'll start from turtle. From turtle position, dropping your shoulder. Get off your knee, be heavy. Open the collar, dive this all the way through. Take away the slack. Tuck in this forearm. Dive. You can help support with this hand. Nice and tight here. Bringing this elbow in. Pushing this close to him. I want this crab arm here. This lock. Step through. Nice and tight right here. I'm gonna dive. Grab a sleeve, grab a armpit. As I come up, as he comes up, I'm pushing with here, pinching, foot on the hip, pinching, underhooking, elbows opening. And there's your tap. Okay, if you lose everything, back to triangle. Let's go, 1, 2, 3.